Good morning, grade 6. Today we're going to talk about what we finished up last week on area of rectangles and irregular rectangles. And then we're going to start this week to talk about volume, how to calculate volume of a rectangular prism. So to begin with, let's talk about finding the area of a rectangle. So I've got this rectangle, and I notice that this side here is the same length as this side here. So if I measure this side, I know this side. Same thing here. If I measure this side, I'll know this side. So I need to find out these two side lengths. When I measure this, I get a length of 15 centimeters. And here I get 10 centimeters. So it's 15 and 10. To find the area in square units, I multiply this length by this length. It's 10 times 15, 150. 150 square centimeters. Now, you had been working on irregular shaped polygons, which are L shapes and things like that. So you were having to add together different areas. Make different rectangles to add together different areas to find irregular shapes. Now we're going to do something different. We're going to change this from a two-dimensional shape to a three-dimensional shape. So we're going to now be looking at how to find the volume, not the area, the volume of this three-dimensional shape. And it's not going to be in square units, it's going to be in cubic units, little cubes. 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, little cubes. This particular shape has some interesting dimensions. We already know that this is 10 and this is 15, so is this. This is 10, goes with this one, 15, 15. So we've got those two lengths, and we've got the area of this surface, which is 10 times 15, 150. But now we've got more faces. How are we going to find the volume of this shape? Well, all we need to do is find one more length. And this time it's going to be this length here. When I measure this one, I get a distance, a length of 8 centimeters. So I've got 10, 15, and 8. This edge here is also 8. This is 8. And if I flip it over here, this is 8. I want to find the volume, how many cubic centimeters fit inside this box. So what I'm going to do is multiply my 10 by my 15, then multiply by 8. When I did 10 by 15, we know it's 150. And 150 times 8, well, that is 1,200 cubic centimeters. They're cubes because it's three-dimensional. So this three-dimensional shape holds 1,200 cubic centimeters by multiplying one side, another side, and a third side. And my shape is going to be in cubic centimeters. I'd like you to try to solve a few more problems that I'm going to attach, and we'll see how we do. I'm probably going to be having a Zoom meeting for the class, or anybody that needs extra math help, sometime later in the week. There have been some security problems with the Zoom program, so we're going to just make sure that those are ironed out before we go ahead and do a Zoom with the class. Anyway, take care, stay healthy, wash your hands. I miss you kids, and looking forward to sometime in the future getting back into the classroom. Keep our fingers crossed, but wash them first. Bye-bye.